Well, good morning, Glue Troopers. Max and Max's Models here. So yesterday, after I made my video, I got out to the Tarbis, got a little work done. I started working on the Bugatti. The mold sculpt that I had used to fill the landing gear wells did a fair job, but the stuff doesn't sand very well. It's not supposed to. It's made for making terrain features. Also, it was still just a little damp inside because it was so deep and it was a little squishy, so I mashed it on down, compressed a little bit, and then put some Tamiya white putty over it fairly generously and smooth that just a little bit. And I'm going to let that all harden overnight, and then I will sand it down tomorrow, which by the time you're watching this is today. And that was really all I could do with that, except I got the propellers painted also. It has two propellers. Of course, they're contra-rotating on one shaft. And then I got to work on the Navajo, which was a little aggravating. I really had to shape the tab pieces to get them to wedge in there, and I had to cut the horizontal stabilizer to get it to fit properly. It was a lot of work, but got them in there, got them glued on, and again, really couldn't move them after that. And that kind of occupied a lot of my workspace. So I really need to clean up the Tarbis, because as soon as I finish with these, I'm going to be jumping in that Jupiter 2. And we also have the Western build coming up, so I probably need to get started on that Concord stagecoach at some point. And those two are going to pretty much fill my work area up, and so I've got to probably spend a whole day tidying up the Tarbis before I can get to that. So that's where we were at with yesterday's stuff. Hopefully I'll get a lot of stuff done today. We'll talk at you later, and as always, model on.